we're off to Mount Gambier and we'll check out the surrounding towns while we're there. If you don't know anything about Mount Gambier, there is a beautiful blue lake there, which is the town's water supply, and there are a couple of sink gardens that are really picturesque. We would like to try and visit the Tantanoola Caves and the Kilsby sinkhole, which is on a private property, so you have to make an appointment, and you can snorkel. You've got a choice of scuba diving. They do some tours, and I'm pretty sure that they actually make their own gin, so they have a gin distillery there as well, so that would be interesting. So Mount Gambier is based inland on the limestone coast. So we'll check out, apparently there's a few shipwrecks along the coast. I'm not too sure if they're visible. So we'll check all that out and looking forward to it. So we'll catch you on the trip. Bye.
Alright, I've just testing out the new GoPro and I've put it on a night mode that I got the settings off Google, so hopefully this turns out alright. Yeah, it looks pretty cool, I reckon. The Millicent National Trust Museum is in here. Caravan RV parking at the back here. I wonder if we stop here for the night. I'll have to go and talk to the little woman, see what she reckons. Well, how's that? Good. Even got proper showers and toilets in there, I'd say. Cool. Oh, look at this. This will do for the night.
Morning everyone. We come into Millicent late last night, trying to find a spot to set up for the night before we move on to Mount Gambier. So Millicent is between Kingston and Mount Gambier, and we just drove into town and come across this little RV spot, which was quite surprising. So they have a dump point here as well. And you've got nice green lawns, bit of a park area, playground. And you've also got a picnic area with a barbecue. So how good is this? This is one of the big wings off one of the wind turbines. Don't know if you've actually seen one yet in real life, but they're huge. And then you come on down through here, that's where we're parked up. So you've got like 6 bays, I think. You also have toilets on site. And how is this for people travelling with their fur babies? You've got an off-leashed area. So they've really given it some thought. They've done a really good job. And even over here, which you don't often see, we've got potable water for drinking. And there's your dump point up there. So we're going to check Millicent out and then we'll head on to Mount Gambier.
Check out the information centre. done, Millicent. Great job. Alright, we'll check out their museum, eh? $12 a head. Yeah, 2 tickets to Broken Hill, mate. Thank you. Fred Flintstone, eat your heart out.
This is how you generated power back in the day. So you would harness up 4 horses to each arm and they would walk around and generate the power. Detail in these old outfits. And how petite were they? So petite.
Yeah, we've just been at Millicent. It was just a stopover. That's all it was on the way to Mount Gambier. But we come across this RV site that was, couldn't believe it. It was brilliant. Free. So we thought we'll have a stop over there. Got up in the morning and checked out the tourist information to see what's around there. And in the tourist information centre there, they've got a museum. Probably the best museum I've seen, and so we did all that, and now we're just we're going on to Mount Gambier.
Check this out. How good is this? Right near the toilet blocks. Not that we need, we've got a shower and toilet in here. Oh, what a beautiful caravan park. Huge sites. Really nice big sites. Even over the road there's big parklands, and just over there, just over through there is the Blue Lake. Feel the glass vibrate, no? Whoa. Quite a nice beer garden. Very nice. So it's at the Max Hotel in Mount Gambier. Good job, guys. Yeah, we'll just give you a quick look at the Mount Gambier Caravan Park. It's actually very, very beautiful. Yeah, very nice. I think you guys will like it. For anyone that wants to head to Mount Gambier, there's big 4, nice big parking spaces, luscious green. Yeah, no, it's very nice. We'll show you a quick couple of amenities, just so you know what's here. Decent enough amenities, nice and clean. Here's the games room for the kids and the gibbo. Bit of a playground and jumping castle, jumping pillow, whatever you call it. Yeah, very clean, very tidy, yeah, nice.
Well maintained little park and beautiful green lawns, nice gardens. That's the community fire pit that we didn't even know was there till now.
Yeah, bugger.
We have a golf course over here,
That's right.
and then we've got a beautiful blue lake in front of the park and behind the park. We're just surrounded in beauty. Very picturesque. Some beautiful units with balconies that overlook the blue lake. So you can see how we're surrounded by lakes. Right, there's the caravan park, the big blue lake that all the tourists see, and then behind us another couple of lakes. I'd recommend this spot, no problem.
you going, everybody?
Hi, so we've decided to finish the episode here. We've got so much footage that we'll break it up into 2 episodes. But it's been an amazing experience, and there's lots
beautiful
to see here, isn't there? Yeah, it's really a unique place. So we will be going full driving through the pine forest, and there is another cave garden it's more beautiful than the first one we've seen. It's amazing. So, and heaps more that we'll get up to, and so we'll see you in the next episode.
Please like and subscribe and share our videos if you like them. So yeah,